Good morning, respected panelists and dear friends. I am happy to be here to be present in this forum in order to see how common services centers can be helped or initiating this technical or knowledge partner, be a knowledge partner in skill training and in education. See, basically, Don Bosco is an organization working across India, in schools, technical schools, and we have more than 200 centers across India. The challenges that we face today in skill training is the accessibility for the youth. Although we have across India, we find most of the rural youth, we know about 60-70% of our youth do not pass metric, below metric. And they are, once they are outside the mainstream of the society, they do not know how to get back. They are often neglected. And when technical training or skill training or education is being imparted, they do not know how to have access to it and come back to the mainstream of society. And also we find, although India is growing and we have got a lot of job opportunities coming, we are looking at 500 million jobs in the coming coming decade. But how we can use this facility, how we can become employable, how our youth can become employable is still become a question to us. Because there is a great mismatch between what is delivered, what is given, and what is required by the markets. So in this context, our main concern as an organization working in the field of technical training and education, our main concern is how to reach accessibility to youth. And in this context, I think the common service centers could be the greatest the people or the centers which can give proper information about the training that is possible, the skill that is available at the local area. Secondly, also we find there is a quality of training can be given only through a quality education. The content, it is what we have developed our own content. We need to have the digital content to be developed and be supported by various organizations so that the people can make use of this particular forum for skill training for the future. And also we believe that it is in this particular common service centers could play a very pivotal role, and as I mentioned, in information, sharing of information, as staff training. We realize that every center which is giving a knowledge and experience or giving information should have proper personnel who can deliver, who can handhold the youth who come to that particular center for specific knowledge, education and training. Thirdly, we need the facilities. It is one computer, not two computers, which have proper facilities for training. When you're looking at the technical training, often most of the technical training need to be on basically practical oriented. But even there, we can certain 50% of the training can be given digitally, but it is be properly prepared. And also the staff prepared for it, also the curriculum, the staff, the center, which will be prepared for it. And another area that I believe that we can handhold is the placement. A lot of job opportunities are available across India. People are in requirement of jobs and personnel, but it is not being given to the local or the rural areas. So it is a sharing of the placement data with the centers, which can enhance many more youth to come and access these possibilities. So when we look at holistically, when we look at today, we are looking at a future in India, a digital curriculum, content, a transfer of knowledge, sharing of experiences, information, all this need to be linked together. And when you work together, I believe that certainly we can reach the masses which we are looking for. When you are looking India, skilling 500 million youth and employability for so many millions of youth is possible when all our departments and people work together and see development and growth of the country. So I wish that many more organizations and get knowledge and experience and collaboration among each other so that we can reach the rural India, rural youth, which is the strength of our country, and thus look for a greater future and greater collaboration. Thank you.